need to see your hall passer. You can't be here, sir.
Can't wait for summertime, it won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
Good morning, Gen Dynasty. We are awake, which is good because now we can start our day off right, I think. Bryce, how did you sleep?
Good.
Oh. How'd you sleep?
Good.
There you go. We're gonna get some breakfast right now at this place called Roasters and Toasters. I think it's like a cafe style breakfast food, so it's more chill. At first when I mentioned this other breakfast place to Bryce, and I was like, it's kind of a fancy breakfast. He was like, how fancy? I was like, valet parking fancy. He was like, maybe another day. I was like, okay.
You gotta end strong, you know?
Yeah, right.
Turn right onto Pine Tree Drive.
Yes, Siri. Anyways, that's the plan. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you so much. Hey guys, we just put our order in. We're at Roasters and Toasters on Miami Beach, Florida. I got the 222, generic, simple, the base breakfast you need, 2 French toast, 2 eggs any way I want them. I got over easy, and then 2 slices of bacon, and also an omelet. Good stuff. So this is gonna be our brunch because we're gonna have a late lunch after this. Bryce, what did you get?
222.
What else? Yeah. Okay.
Sausage.
Look at the camera. Can you look right there?
You're not even pointing at my face.
Yeah, I am. Oh, sorry. Can you look at the camera right here?
Eggs.
Nice. We love it. Love it. He's a little bit camera shy, but we're gonna break that by the end of this trip. Scrambled eggs, good stuff. Bryce brought a volleyball. I did too, except his is way nicer because I found mine on a trail behind my brother's house. Happy boy. Yes, sir. And it keeps going. This is all mine. I'm so excited. And that's all his. Okay, so we're gonna bless the food. We're gonna chow down on this. And we'll see you in like 1 second. We got done with our food and then we found the volleyball courts. There's a lot. It goes all the way down there. Anyways, what's super cool is we're right next to an outdoor gym. There's like these huge people. Huge. Won't show much, but Bryce and I we're gonna play volleyball for a bit. Okay, we got a message from our reservation to Paradise Island that we can't kayak over there, unfortunately, because I don't know, their kayak ramp is messed up. Not messed up, but closed down because there's turtle camp or something happening over there. So he gave us a discounted price for jet skis, unfortunately, you know. So I guess we'll have to take that instead now. We got some downtime since they had to push the reservation. So we're gonna walk around a bit here in Miami. We're in Miami Bay. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys in the car, but don't worry, I'm still gonna take you by leaving you with this camera. I'm taking my GoPro, so I don't wanna get it wet, of course, duh. Anyways, I'll see you in like, I'll stop talking. Guys, we have more bad news. Florida Shark Diving made a mistake, and so the time where they said they could reschedule, they can't reschedule. So Florida Shark Diving is off our itinerary, and I'm kind of mad about it. I'm super sad. Whatever. We'll get over it. We're in Miami, so we're just gonna enjoy everything else we have planned. So I'll stop telling you guys the plan for the next day because it may change. I'll tell you the plan right now. We're going to this fancy restaurant called something steak and seafood. LT Steak and Seafood. It has like 4.3 stars on Yelp or something like that. We look cute. At least I think so. I hope so.
Does that look like a drug dealer?
He definitely looks like a drug dealer. I told him as he was walking down. He only had one sling on, so I was like, dude, you straight up look like a drug dealer. Hold it up like that. I was like, the fancy shirt, sunglasses, the backpack, you look like a drug dealer. So we're heading to the restaurant right now. Then after that, we're gonna head over to a bowling place. Okay guys, we just got our food. I'm gonna show you what $68 worth of Wagyu skirt steak looks like. Our grilled asparagus with lemon, and then Bryce's $23 chips, shrimp, scampi, pizza pie. We'll let you know how it is. Mine looks glorious. It looks soft and tender at the same time. I'm hungry. We'll see you after. And my steak was phenomenal. I really enjoyed it. Super soft, super tender. It held its warmth and I feel full. So it wasn't like I was getting robbed. Well, I mean, I still was, but it didn't feel like it was. Bryce, I don't think he liked his that much. Yeah, that's okay. That's all right. That's why, yeah, I don't know. That's why we just, I don't know, decisions, you know. We were walking around, checked out Miami Beach a little bit, enjoying the weather and walking. I don't like walking, but I'm enjoying the weather. We're gonna head back to our car and then head over to Bolero. Hi guys, I wanted to show you something really interesting. That was a cruise ship. Humongous. Crazy, dude. They get tons of money being called virgin, and I just get insults.
They ask you how
It's
you
whatever.
are, you just have to say that you're fine.
We have arrived at our destination of Bolero at the Dolphin Mall. Dolphin freaking Mall. That's so exciting. I wanted to stop here anyway, so we get to do that and bowl here. Super awesome. Huge complex. Oh my goodness. Well, it kind of reminds me of the opening, if you've been there. It's like the opening of Universal. It's like outside, tons of buildings already. Then you walk in. Woo! Zero wait time. About $47 for 2 games for 2 people. Not bad. Our first frame, we both got a strike, so we started off strong. Nice. Check out my name, guys. Ooh, good spare. Very good spare. My turn. Ooh. Number 2. Crap, we're in trouble. So we need to bring it up. Very close. I lost. So Bryce is still beating me. But he's not beating me as bad as the first game. Well, you know, I'm focusing on the positive, that's all. I'm still losing, but at least I'm losing well. Okay, all right, final results. No, move. There we go. Okay, so 142 to 112. I didn't do as bad. I still did bad, but not as bad. I'll take the dub. That I did more than the first game. I suck, I still suck.
I need to see your hall pass.
Obnoxious.
I need to see your hall pass, sir. You can't be here, sir.
Proud father moment. I'm rubbing off on him, guys. We're done with the mall because they close here in about 4 minutes. Maybe I can look at some other stuff to do in Miami while we're here. Maybe, maybe not, who knows? Okay guys, we found something else to do. Check it out. The Dolphin Mall. I'm not crazy, don't worry, and you're not crazy either. Dave & Buster's is here, and they don't close till 1 a.m. So we're just gonna stop by there. Guys, I'm freaking out. I lost Bryce. I don't know where he's at. What? What? Who's that? What? What the? Hey! Bryce! Hey! Hey! Oh. Dang it. I'm on the wrong side. I'm on the wrong side. But it's okay, I found him though. Guys, first try, I just got 1,000 tickets on this wheel thing because Bryce was doing another one. I was like, oh, I'll just try this one. I got 1,000, proof. I just smacked it. Oh, I'm running out of film. Oh no, I might not see you guys for a bit. We got done playing games, now we're playing pool. So we're still playing games. We got the private room, $9 an hour. It's super bougie in here. It's like way too fancy for us. Yeah, he is taking this dub. He's whooping me. It's really sad actually.